Today I'm going to make microwave cupcakes recipe for Easter Day. My Easter microwave cupcakes are moist, tender and sweet in practically no time at all. Perfect for a festive occasion. If you are new to my channel, hello there, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. Here you will find many interesting recipes. So let's start it. Mix to combine 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, quarter teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon of orange zest, and pinch of salt. Set it aside. We need 1 egg and 4 tablespoons of white granulated sugar. Whisk until combine. Then add 2 tablespoons of sour cream, or you can use yogurt. Add quarter cup of melted unsalted butter and whisk again. Add the flour mixture into the wet ingredients. Whisk all together. I will use silicone cupcake molds. For this I need 8 molds. Fill the prepared cupcake cups. One tablespoon of rainbow sprinkle on top. Put in the microwave for about 3 minutes. This timing is based on my microwave, which is 750 watts, so check the wattage of your microwave, because your timing may vary. Carefully remove from the microwave and cool completely. Be careful because it's going to be really hot at first. The cupcakes are best enjoyed the day they are cooked. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to days. These cupcakes are really tasty and full of orange zest flavor. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to get the full recipe with measurements down below. Thank you for watching.